Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free Cloud Code 101 course and learn how to AI coding agents and earn a certificate. So this is the beginner friendly content and total time it will take 1.5 hours of content, practical lessons and certificate of completion. So we'll go through the step by step process for this course and learn Cloud Code from the scratch and free course by Anthropic. So AI coding agents are transforming the software development, and this free Cloudy Code 101 course shows how to use Cloudy Code effectively in real world workflows. So whether you are a beginner developer or experienced engineer exploring AI assisted coding, this course walks through the practical workflows, promoting strategies, project memory, subagents, MCP server, hooks, and more. So what you will learn on this, how AI coding agents actually work with your project, installing Cloudy Code across the VS Code, Terminal, JetBrains and web. There is a writing better promotes for the faster result, the explore, plan, code, commit and workflow. Content management with the slash compact slash clear slash content. Using the cloudy.md for persistent project memory. Creating the custom subagents and skill, MCP server integrations and automation of hooks. Total course included 12 lectures are there, 1.5 hours of the video content and quizzes and hands-on lesson. And you will get a certificate on the completion. So perfect for the new developers learning AI assisted workflows, engineers curious about the coding agents, developers are wanting faster and smarter workflows, and start the learning here. So this is the URL. We'll go through the URL. When you will open this URL, you will get this page. This is Anthropic, and Anthropic Academy is providing the Cloudy Code 101. So there is a option to enroll in the course. You have already registered, then go with the sign in, or you have to register yourself. So there is sign up option. So you will go with the sign up and provide your details and login. So there is about this course. So AI coding agents, all the details you can find here. Course, what is the Cloudy Code? So all the details step by step you can find here. Uh, After sign in, you will get this page. Okay. So after completing, you will get a certificate. So I'll go later on this. So this is Cloudy Code 101. What is the Cloudy Code? And there is a video tutorial is there. So you have to click this one and you have to complete the course step by step. This is
Claude Code
very
is an
interesting
agentic coding
and you
tool
have to
that
go through
understands your
the
code base.
all the process. Okay. So what separates Cloudy Code from the Cloudy and all the details. What is an agent and how can Cloudy Code actually do? So all the details you can go. So one by one you can go with this and what is the MCP server? So model contains protocol server. This is the open standard for the Let's Cloudy Code connect to the external tools and data sources. So this is a very important server. So what is this and all the details you can find here. And finally you will get a course quiz. So course quiz you can you have a pass and you can get this one and there is options to give the exam. Give the course quiz. This is the open book exam. You can give the exam. After that you will find a certificate. So your certificate will be looks like this. So this is the certificate of completion and your name has completed Cloudy Code 101 and issue date and there is a Anthropic is there. So all the details you can find here and about this course also you can get. So So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free Cloudy Code 101 course and learn AI coding agents and earn a certificate. So all the step by step I have shown you, and finally we got the course completion certificate only. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the educational and informational purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 copyrighted 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. And subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.